Today I'm going to show you a very easy strategy that you can use to make money online over and over again. This requires no previous skills or experience and you can make it work as a complete beginner. It is absolutely free and it works anywhere in the world. You just need to keep watching till the end so you can get every step right and start making money right away. And stay tuned because I'll show you how you can maximize your earnings. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online. And you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you like this type of content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing that I want to show you guys are the payment proofs. So you can see that this site is going to pay you and it is 100% legit. As you can see, people from all around the world are getting paid daily with this website through their preferred payment option. And you're going to see that they are getting like a couple of dollars here and there, but I'm going to show you a method that you can use in order to maximize your earnings and you can earn even more money than this. So stay tuned for that. Now, before I show you the name of this website, I want you guys to go over to another platform that is going to help us today with this strategy. And this platform is called PLR Mines. This is over at plrmines.com. PLR Mines is a website where you can get unlimited access to their growing collection of the newest and highest quality PLR products. And PLR stands for private label rights, which means that you can get these products for absolutely free. You can download them for free. You can also change them if you want to and then claim that you are the author, or you can give them out for free. You can make money out of them by selling them and so on and so forth. But what does these products consist of? As you can see right here in the left hand side, PLR products types, you have PLR ebooks, PLR videos, software, templates, graphics, and so on and so forth. So for the first step, you need to come over to plrmines.com, and after that you need to click here where it says freebies. So click on it and it's going to take you over to this other page where you can get access to all of their free ebooks, graphics, videos, templates, software, and so on. And for example, we want to download free ebooks with a PLR license. So you're just going to click on this one right here and you're going to have different PLR books where you can download them for absolutely free. And for example, you want to go with one of them, and I'm going, for example, to get this one here just to show you an example. So I'm going to click on Get It Now, and you're going to see a brief description of this, and after that you're going to see that you can download it for free and you have the license, private label rights. If you scroll down, you'll be able to download it if you create an account for absolutely free here on PLR Mines, or you can share it on Facebook or on Twitter in order to be able to see the download button and download it for free on your computer. So just be a member, I suggest, so you can also do this more often. You can download more products, more files, and so on. So you can click on join today right here, and after that you can select the free membership because they also have a paid one. Then click here to register for free and you're going to get to this page where you need to put an email address and then to click on next, and you're going to put some other information like a password, a username, and so on, and then you'll be able to get the download button right here and you can download it for absolutely free. Now that you got your PLR product, you need to go over to the website that is going to pay us today. And this website is called upload-forever.com. So this website is a file sharing free cloud storage. Here you can share your files, you can upload files, and you're going to get paid whenever someone downloads your file. So we're going to upload today those files that you got for free on here, and whenever someone downloads our files, we're going to get paid. So if you scroll down, you're going to see more about it, more about this website, how you're going to get paid and so on. And I'm going to show you another thing you need to go over to make money right here, and you're going to see how much you're going to get paid. And you're going to get paid per 1,000 downloads, and you're going to find even your country in these groups here. If you scroll down, you're going to see all the payment methods that they offer. They have a lot, so you can choose from PayPal, Payeer, Neteller, Skrill, Vodafone Cash, and so on. And the minimum withdraw is just only $1, but for some other payment options it's more than that. So just select your preferred payment option. With that said, you can also check out the payment proofs by yourself by clicking here. And you're going to see people that are getting paid again and again with this website by just uploading files on here, and whenever people download their files, you're going to get paid. And in order to sign up for absolutely free, so you can also upload those files, you need to click on the sign up button up here. And after that, you're going to put a username, a password, retype the password here, put an email address. The payment information is optional because you can even change it after you create your account. Confirm that you're not a robot by completing this CAPTCHA and click on sign up. After that, you're going to see this is your dashboard. Here you're going to see your account balance, your use space, and so on. And you can also upload files on here. To do so, you need to click on upload files up here, and after that it's going to take you over to this page. Here you just need to click on choose file, and then you're going to upload that file that you got before from PLR Minds. So you're just going to upload those free PLR books or softwares or videos, and after that people are going to see that and you're going to get paid. And the thing is that they're going to stay here forever, so people can see them even after some months and years, and you're going to get paid per each download that you get. And you're going to benefit from this, and also people that are downloading your file are going to benefit because you are uploading some free courses, free books, and so on that are going to help them in something. And if you're wondering why Upload Forever is paying you, is because when people click on your file, they first will be redirected to a landing page with ads, and after skipping those ads, after seeing those ads, they're going to be able to download your file. So Upload Forever is splitting the ad revenue with you. So in order to maximize your results, as I promised before, you can get the URL of your file, because you're going to be able to get a URL, and after that you can share that URL in different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, and so on. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.